Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this quick Excel tutorial, I'll show you how to jump straight to the right edge of your data without endless scrolling. Let's get started. Step 1. The problem. Here I have a spreadsheet with lots of columns. In this example, the data stretches all the way out to column S. But imagine if there were dozens or even hundreds of columns. How can you quickly get to the far right edge of your sheet without wasting time? Step 2. The slower methods. Of course, there are a few basic ways. You could drag the horizontal scroll bar at the bottom of Excel, or you could press the Tab key, and if you hold it down, you'll move cell by cell to the right. But if you're working with a big dataset, both of those can feel slow. Step 3. The fastest shortcut. Here's the trick. Hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and tap Page Down. Every time you press it, Excel jumps 20 columns to the right. Keep holding Alt and pressing Page Down, and you'll fly across your spreadsheet in no time. And here's an important note. This shortcut doesn't care whether there's data in those columns or not. It will keep moving you to the far right regardless. That's really handy when you're working with giant spreadsheets full of columns. And that's how you quickly move to the right edge of your data in Excel. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler, and I hope you found this tip helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I post new tutorials.